The D error code indicates that the washer is not able to lock the door or the door is not properly closed. The D1 error code indicates that the drawer is not closed properly. How to fix? Open and reclose the drawer as an attempt to clear the code. Press the start button twice to start the cycle. D2 error code indicates that the drawer is closed but not locked. How to fix? Step 1. Turn off the washer. Step 2. Pull the drawer open. Step 3. Restart the cycle. Step 4. Close the drawer firmly. Press the start button twice to start the cycle.